These are my recommended bicycle lubricant: degreaser, lubricant, and chain cleaners. White Lightning to me is the highest quality brand for chain maintenance. Now, this brush will help you easily, quickly, and efficiently clean your bicycle chain. It is a very sturdy bristle that can be used a lot of times. I'd say at least 50 to 100 times to clean your bike. These bristles I've used, I've rarely replaced mine. I've only replaced it maybe, I don't know, 10 times, but that's because I ride every day. And it's been... Now this chain lubricant right here, I use it on a lot of customers' chains. I apply it directly to the chain, work itself in there, and then wipe it. This is a quick lubricant that I use when not doing a whole bike wash. It's for people who don't ride a lot. Probably somebody who rides only in the summertime and then stores their bicycle in the garage, which is most of my customers. So I just apply this if I see their chain is dry and can tell that they're not going to ride a lot, and I'll put this on there. I apply it directly to the chain, work its way in there, maybe brush it a little bit, not with the grunge brush, but I'll brush it with another brush and then wipe it with a rag, cotton rag, to soak up excess lubricant. It is a very, I've used it on a chain that was rusty, not severely rusty, but lightly rusty, and it made the chain look brand new. So this is something I just apply, work in the chain, and then wipe. Just a quick, minute lubricant. Now this, as you can see, has wax settled on the bottom of the bottle. I used to use this lubricant a lot because I lived in a dry desert area, Phoenix, Arizona, which is extremely dry and dusty. This was the best lubricant for that environment. Before you use this, you have to shake it up before you apply it. I preferably shake it for at least a minute or two, and then apply it to your chain. It'll leave a waxy thing. If you ride your bicycle every day, I would wash your bike at least once a week and then reapply this lubricant. This is the chain degreaser that I use to clean the bicycle chain. It says you do not have to rinse it with water, but I would rinse it with water. Be careful not to lose this nozzle, because it helps you to efficiently apply it to your chain, directly onto your chain, and not spray over a large area. and onto your frame and waste unnecessary degreasing chemicals. What I do is I apply it to my chain, work it with the brush, and I'll use this end to apply it and smear it over the chain rings and the jockey wheels. Use it to clean the chain. So I'll rub it in there. I'll turn the chain, scrub it in there, wipe it with a cloth, wash the whole bicycle with soapy water and the chains. Then I'll rinse it with water and use another clean cloth to dry the chain and soak up any excess residue. Now, this lubricant from White Lightning is the best lubricant. It is great for all types of environments. I would still recommend the wax lubricant for extremely dry or dusty environments. This one will still work good in that environment. I currently live in Albuquerque, New Mexico, so this is my choice for lubricant. I will give this to a customer if they suggest it or they want a high quality lubricant. Usually I do not use this, but it is the best lubricant that I have used. And I've used a lot of different chain lubes, and White Lightning has outperformed the others. These lubricants and cleaners are sold at Walmart, so they are readily available at your local retailers. Some bike shops will carry these, others will carry only other brands. This brand might face some discrimination because it is sold at Walmart, but the quality is unsurpassed in my opinion. You can buy different containers with a larger volume, such as I've bought this lubricant in a container that was larger than the 4 ounce or 120 milliliter bottle. So if you're not an everyday rider, you're only maybe once a week or less, I'd recommend this type of lube. If you ride more often, and depending on your environment, I would either recommend the Epic Ride or the Easy Lube. This does cost more. This is the most expensive one. This is the cheapest. This is a medium priced. But I have written this in the wintertime, snow, water, and basically every type of environment. Epic Ride is as the name implies, it is an Epic brand. This is a silicone lubricant, and that's what makes it really long lasting, is the silicone in it. The wax is really great. If you use more of a high quality wax, it is superior than the Epic Ride, but you have to keep reapplying it depending on your environment. If it's a really wet environment, wax will not last. You got to also remember, if you ride in the rain, the oils from the road will surface to the area and mix with the water on the road, and that will get on your rims and your bike chain. So it's always a good idea to at least wash your wheels or wipe your rims if you're going to ride in a wet environment. I'd also recommend not cleaning your chain as often if it's really rainy for a couple of days, because you want your chain to dry and keep the lubricant that's already on there. But the white lightning is my preferred chemicals for bicycle chains. I've used other household degreasers. I personally don't want to use anything that was not meant for a bicycle on my bike or our customers, but these are the superior. And like I said, most of you are probably not going to be a regular rider, so the Easy Clean is highly recommended. It will, at least this should last you a year or longer, but at least you have something to apply to your chain. If you just buy your bicycle and want to apply something and not have to go through washing your bike or servicing your chain, I would just get a rag, apply this, turn your chain as you apply it, and wipe it down with a rag, a clean cotton rag, and that's it. White Lightning is my preferred brand, and this brush is by far one of the best brushes that I've ever used. The grunge brush is pretty superior. I've even seen them, they even make them for motorcycles, chains. That is a more heavy duty bristle. I was going to use it on a bike, but then I decided not to experiment. I probably will for some customers who have a really bad rusty chain. There are chain bass that they sell. Park Tool sells one. I bought it. It just wasn't that great, and I got my chain just as clean without it. And this cheaper brush, it just wasn't worth the money. And the chain bath tool broke, and Park Tool sent me a new one for free, but it just wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth the fidgeting with that. It's a fragile tool, so I highly recommend the degreaser. I believe there's another type of degreaser that White Lightning sells, but I still recommend any type of degreaser that White Lightning sells. I've had the economy bottle. There was a bottle twice this amount, and it's lasted me a long time. You do not need to spray a lot of chain degreaser on your chain. Just keep applying it until your chain is slightly dripping with it, and then scrub it, wipe it with a cloth, throw that cloth away, wash your bike with soap and water, apply some soap and water to the chain, and scrub it with the brush and soap and water. Rinse it, and then dry your chain with a clean cotton rag cloth that is absorbent. And you can use an old t-shirt, cut up some old t-shirts or clothes in your closet, preferably cotton. Jeans work good as well, but cotton t-shirts are good, the best. Probably have some old underwear with holes in it. Cut it up. There you go. Recycle, reuse. Get yourself a chain brush. It'll last you forever. Most of the weekend riders, weekend warriors, and the Walmart bikes, this is all you need right here. And they sell this in a pack right here. These three in a pack. You can get yourself that. And that's going to last you about maybe 2 years. And there you go. This is White Lightning. It is by far the most superior lubricant. By far. Get out, get yourself some White Lightning. And please, if you can, if you got some extra money, send me some White Lightning Epic Ride and a grunge brush. And hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate comments, but I don't care. White Lightning is the best. If you are someone who races your bicycle and spends maybe $3,000 or a couple $1,000s on your bicycle, this video is probably not for you. I was a commuter, rode every day, and occasional rider. So this video is more geared towards people in that type of cycling community. Of course, there is a far superior wax lubricant that most people do not use, especially just your average regular rider or even commuter doesn't even use. But that wax is highly superior. I would say it is superior than these lubricants, but that is a wax lubricant that you have to put in something that is similar to a crock pot, or some people have used crock pots, and then seriously clean your chain thoroughly and then dip it into molten wax. Um, that's not going to be for most of you or someone who watches this video. That is for someone who races their bike or is investing a lot of money in their bicycle. Most of you are not going to do that. But for me, I mean, I've ridden a bicycle that's worth at least $1,000, and I've used my Epic Ride on my bike, and I continue to use Epic Ride on my bicycle. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be teaching classes here locally in Albuquerque, New Mexico. If you want to enroll in the class, please comment on this video or contact me via email. Thank you. Bye.